Hi, this is Ajit Joshi from Opal Infotech, and today we will discuss about some of the best SEO practices. Now here are some of the best SEO practices that need to be followed for your website optimization, that not only promotes your website on internet as well keeps your site immune from Google algorithmic updates like Panda and Penguin. Now number one is ensure that each page has a meta title, description and unique set of targeted keywords. You need to define meta title, meta description and meta keywords well for each and every pages so that Google can take up in the search ranking. Second one is check that proper heading tags are there on every pages like H1, H2, H3, H4, etc. So whatever the main tag, the main heading of the web page is there, that you need to give the H1 defined with the H1 tag. For rest of the subtopics you can define with H2 and H3 tag. For every page one H1 tag is should be there, and there should not be more than one H1 tag. H2 and H3 you can give as many as you want to define as per the subtopics. Now third important thing that you need to optimize during SEO is check that image are well optimized with the proper file name, alt tags and fast loading time. Image you need to define each and every image with proper file name, as well as you can also give the alt tags, and see to that the image should be compressed one and should not take more loading time, which may affect your site speed, and that is also one of the important factor for better site listing. Now proper file name and alt tags will give an idea to search engine to recognize the image well for better placement, even for visitors. Also this will help to understand about the image. Fourth most important point in SEO to see to that there should be a good combination of text content and image content for better readability and retain the interest of visitors. Mere lengthy text makes the visitors boring and difficult to understand. Now the fifth most important point is avoid the usage of more plugins in website pages that may increase the load time. Sixth is the internal linking with the important keywords or product is a good preferred for your visitors to move on the concerned page for their interest. Even it is better probability of for spiders. Avoid more and unnecessarily internal linking. Seventh most important thing to look in is see to that your content must be unique and free of keyword stuffing. If there is any duplication of the content found with other sites, try to redefine the portion for better interest for your visitors to get refreshing information. Now eighth point in SEO to take care is a good use of Webmaster and analytics with in-depth research that will help you to understand the behavior of your visitors. Average time spent on pages, bounce rate, exit rate, goal conversions, location visits, traffic from different sources are some of the important parameters to check that will help you in improving the visitor's site experience. The improvements in such parameters will impact in your site listing and keywords ranking. Point number 9 is to increase the usage of social media like Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, etc. to raise the visibility of your site products and services. Posting on the social media sites will give you immense opportunity to direct communicate with your prospective clients. And 10th, the important SEO point is to create organic links from high PR relevant sites to your websites in every natural ways that helps you in earning good links for your website. If you are having any query, you can post your comments on this video, or you can visit us on www.webmasterindia.com. Thank you.